Try and accept error handler Python program examples. Created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Let's learn how to create some try and accept error handlers with these Python program examples. We will also learn how to raise some errors in Python program examples. Experiment with these Python program examples and see what happens when you execute. Run each one of these Python program examples below. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2x.